Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well and I'm really happy that you are here with me today. So in today's video I am going to show you how I made these blue and ivory resin geode coasters. So without further ado, let's get to it. Here I have prepared my molds and I'm using these lovely molds that I got off Amazon. And it's time to divide the resin into cups. I am very excited because today I'm gonna try new pigments that I bought off Just For You online UK. I got a bunch of them and of course you can never have too many pigments in your possession. So I am very excited about these coasters. So this first color is dark blue. I do love pigments from Just For You online UK. They do mix in very well and the color is always great, so you don't need to add much pigment to have excellent color. And this is ivory, so the coaster is gonna be ivory and blue. And after that's been done, it's time for pouring. So I'm gonna put some music on for you and let you enjoy the pouring process. And see you very soon. So yes, here is the next day and they are cured nicely and it's time to demold them. So I am very curious how they're gonna look on the other side. And it looks nice. I like how the ivory color went through the blue edge and how the resin went in the middle. It looks like an eyeball right now. And yes, I'm very satisfied and happy. What are your thoughts on these coasters? And the last one. And looking equally good. So the next part is to get them ready by painting the edge gold and applying a top clear layer. And then they're gonna be ready. And here they are all finished up, the last final results, and I'm very happy. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Keep creating. Until next time. Bye.